Want to see how much you're really making with DoorDash? Here's how to track your earnings inside the app, step by step. Open the Dasher app, then tap the Earnings tab at the bottom. Here you will see your weekly total, including base pay, tips, bonuses like peak pay, and challenges. Tap on specific week to break it down further. How many deliveries you did each day, and how much you earned per drop. To view individual delivery details, tap the day, then tap any order. It will show the full breakdown, base pay, customer tips, and any bonus added. At the top of the earnings screen, you'll also see your next payout date. And if you're eligible for fast pay, which lets you cash out early for a smaller fee, go ahead and do that. Trap your income helps you plan smarter, spot slow days, and focus on what's paying best. If this really helped, like, subscribe, and let me know your best DoorDash day in the comments. Always here for you if you also got any questions. So if I feel like those questions do need for someone to make a video, I'll go ahead and do that. But yeah, feel free to drop them down below in the comments too. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.